What do we do?
Pull over, right now.
Okay.
Pull over. Let's go, Wally, pull up.
What the f did we even do? I just don't know what we did. The guy that was actually driving wheelies, he's gone. This poor guy got wrapped up in it. He's not with us. Sir, that guy right there, he was not with us. If you want to let him go, he was nothing. We were just cruising down to.
Why are you doing a wheelie at 100 miles an hour?
That was not us. That was someone else that's gone.
You think I'm an idiot? You think I'm that stupid?
Sir, I'm being serious with you. I'm not.
You guys are one, going to kill each other. All right, you're going to kill yourselves. You're going to kill someone else on the road. You guys don't think how severe it is. I see it every day. Okay? You guys look like soup on a roadway. Okay, you might have the leather jacket on. Guess what? It don't mean anything. All right?
You're right.
Officer,
Let's be smart, okay?
With 100% sincerity, none of us were doing wheelies.
Okay. I don't care. Your other guy is, okay?
Yeah.
And guess what? He goes down in the middle of the group.
You're right. He's gonna take us out.
There goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bikes.
You're right, sir.
You're gonna take an accident for 7 motorcycles.
You're right.
Okay. And probably someone's gonna die because you're 100 miles an hour. Okay. And the chances of living at that speed are likely to none. No matter if you're in a car or on a bike. Slow the hell down.
Okay.
Okay. It's a nice day. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy the ride. Let's not kill each other. Okay?
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
License and insurance, I'm guessing? Yep, I figured. Alright, that's the new one.
You know it's illegal to go
right? I know.
You got a camera on there?
It's not usually for dumb stuff, it's for when other cars come out in front of me.
Okay. So you're just excited about the weather?
Yeah, I just left school. I go to ECC, I just left class. I was on my way home.
You didn't see me sitting there?
If I saw you, that wheel would have been on the ground. Alright. I'm so fucking stupid, it hurts. At least I made a woman cop smile. So, how did I not notice her? She was right in front of me.
Is it alright if I get off?
Yeah. Don't let me see you doing it again, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Never again.
They pull somebody over. You won't, what you won't. Let's see what this is about, guys. How are you? How you doing?
No, good. Can I help you?
No, he just told me to pull over.
Oh, he got you late?
Yeah, I don't know why. That guy just asked me to pull over. I don't know why.
Does your officer have your license, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Can I step off the bike? Yeah. All right, I'm actually heading to work, guys. I'm actually heading to work now. Am I good? Oh, yeah, okay. Just wanted to make sure.
this about?
You have your license, registration, insurance?
I got everything. What is this about?
Yeah, you're driving in the middle lanes, unsafe lane changes, you're not using your blinkers.
What do you mean?
You're following me. You weren't using your blinkers, you're driving in the middle. Let me see your license.
In the middle, where?
Insurance. You have your license, registration, insurance?
I got everything. What is this about?
Yeah, you're driving in the middle lanes, unsafe lane changes, you're not using your blinkers.
What do you mean?
You're following me. You weren't using your blinkers, you're driving in the middle. Let me see your license.
In the middle, where?
Insurance.
You mean just now?
Yeah, we were following you for the last couple blocks. That's why you weren't using the blinker?
No, I was. It's just too bright.
Just watch your back, Mark. Once you get that out, we're gonna go off to the side here so you don't get clipped.
Wait, what?
Just give me your keys and we're gonna go off to the side here.
It's still in my pocket. I'm not gonna put it in.
Just go. You can go off to the side right now. I don't want you to get hit. This is your bike?
Yeah.
Everything's good? Insurance?
Yeah, everything's good.
Where you headed?
Work.
Huh?
Work.
What do you want to do right now? Yeah? Still recording.
I'm sorry?
Just wait until we're done with the
Wait till what?
Just wait till we're finished.
Can you use my phone?
Wait till we're done.
I'm sorry?
Just wait until we're done with the
Wait till what?
Just wait till we're finished.
Can you use my phone?
I said just wait till you're finished. Wait till we're finished to go on the phone. So what's your first name? Alright, man. Just do me a favor, just drive careful, alright? Next time just use your blinkers. I didn't see them when we followed you the last couple blocks, alright? Alright, man. Drive careful, alright?
Alright.
Everybody's out. Look at this. It's summertime. Summertime. Boom. Then snow tomorrow. Then snows tomorrow. The bus stop? The bus stop? Yeah. I'm not going anywhere. Don't worry. I'm actually on my way to work, so. Twice. 2 times. This is the second time. Today. Today, yeah, right on the highway.
Did they register the summonses?
Huh?
Did they register the summonses, sir?
No, everything is good. They actually just let me go. They just wanted to check everything was okay.
You have your license?
Yes, sir. Can I get off the bike?
Yeah.
How you doing?
What's up, guys?
Just doing a safety check, make sure you have the license and all the property.
Yep. This is my second time right now. I just got off the highway right now.
Did you stop?
Yeah, uh-huh. I'm actually heading to work now.
Did it stop you? Right?
Yeah. Oh, we are good? Yeah, I just got off the highway right now. Thank you, guys.
You might get stopped again, all right?
I might? Why?
You might get, we're just doing the safety check, making sure everybody's ready.
Gotcha, okay. All right. Thank you.
I'm doing wrong every night. I'm on the road doing shows on the stage every night. Different bitches with me every night. I ain't trying to wise, living my life. I'm just living my life.
Fucking yeah. Can I get a
it for the video?
I'm not going to give you a compliment on that. That's dangerous.
I know, sir. School, PSC.
PSC?
Yes, sir.
What are you studying?
Business right now. Do you need the registration or?
Is this, what happened to your license? It's all chewed up.
My puppy.
If you have it, yeah.
Alright.
Still live on 10?
Yes, sir.
You do know that that's a
Yeah, I know it's a hefty ticket. Yeah.
pretty bad ticket. Anything wrong with your driver's license?
No, sir.
Any particular reason why I shouldn't write you a ticket?
Cause I'm a business student.
Be wrong, but you know, riding a wheelie, $500 fine.
I know. Yes, sir.
This is my one and only time I'm going to give you a break.
Alright.
It's stupid. It's the other.
I know.
You know better. The reason why I'm not going to give you a ticket, you're straight out honest with me. All right. Honesty goes a long way. Doesn't always guarantee you're not going to get a ticket, but it goes a long way.
I understand.
Right? So, make your mom and dad happy.
Yes, sir.
Don't be, you know, blood splatter all over the ground over something idiotic.
Yeah.
So,
Alrighty. Thank you.
Dobar dan.
Možete pustiti ženu da prođe.
Ugrožava život ljudima poput mene.
Dobro, imate ovdje mjesta na traci koliko god hoćete.
Pa imam mjesta, ali šta da sam ušao malo brže u zavu i da me pokupila?
Odavde imate 5 metara.
Pa dajte, molim vas. I vama je to u redu?
Pa normalno da nije u redu, ali ne možete ni sad ne pustiti, vidite da je invalid isto.
Aha, pa to vidim u glavu vjerojatno. Hvala, dženja.
How you doing? What's going on?
How in the world did you get a tag on a dirt bike that is not an enduro?
Well, it's kind of a long story, but out in Bourbon County, they signed off on it, and I kind of modified it slightly.
You gotta have turn signals and stuff.
Oh, there's a... see, I'm bending rules here, but it says in the motorcycle manual, it's not breaking them, it's just kind of bending a little bit.
Can you modify this to where it actually will go on the road? Yes, but you got to do some more modification. What's the range on your line?
Oh, this is good. It doesn't look like it, but it's actually...
No, it doesn't look like it.
But it's got settings. See, it's real bright. I don't want to get you with it, but like I ride this at night and it'll light the whole road in front of me. It don't look like it, but I just ride on low because I don't want to run the battery down.
Hang on.
Alright.
I applaud you.
I did my best. I wanted to look cool, you know, and I thought, you know, I didn't want to mess up my plastic.
Yeah, I applaud you. You even changed the tires.
Right, yeah, I put street tires on it.
Hang on, guys.
It's something, man. I mean, you probably don't deal with this very much, so. Yeah, I could sit up a little bit or hop off or. That plate's good right there, ain't it?
You can't see it. Alright, so you see me? I'm looking.
Right, yeah, I wasn't sure what the rule was. I couldn't really get a straight answer at the...
Now you'll see the dirt bikes, you'll see the street bikes do it, and they'll have those things right here on the side so you can see it. It'll be kind of slanted sideways or something.
Uh-huh.
That, you gotta...
I was gonna weld something onto my swing arm to like put the plate on, but you know, I just wanted to ride so bad, I had to get out on the street with it.
I applaud you for the effort, I really do.
It's something, I put a lot of work into this. I probably worked on it 3 hours 2 days ago. It's sketchy.
Do you have some form of insurance?
Yeah. I got all that.
That's what it is, man. Dude, with the exception to the headlight turn signal, man, this thing's legal.
Should I up the headlight? Is that the problem?
There is, if you go and get the, I forgot what model that is. If you go and get some parts to that street model, that Enduro, it should fit up on here. There'll be a speedometer to go down to the front fork, and if I'm not mistaken, there is very little you got to do to actually put turn signals on here.
Okay, yeah, I'm not very good with like the electric stuff yet. I'm just now learning with all the engine nonsense, but alright, yeah.
Are you familiar with the revised statute on on what you gotta have as for a motorcycle?
I haven't looked at it in like a year, but
just check it. Check that out for your education. I'm not gonna give you a ticket here.
I appreciate that.
Alright, because you got insurance, you got, I don't know, she's running the tag. Yeah.
Yeah, the tags will be good. I just got them, so it's awesome.
Man, it's daylight. It's good now. Try to get you some turn signals.
Yeah, I'll work on it all.
Alright, man. That's the first I've seen of this.
Oh yeah, you'll probably see me around town. Just holler at me. Alright, man. You have a good one.